Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you what I got my two daughters for Easter. In this video I'm going to share with you Easter selections from the Dollar Tree that I assembled in their Easter baskets. All items that you see in this video are from the Dollar Tree. I have a 3-year-old little girl and a 1-year-old little girl. So I had to be very creative because 3 years old, you can kind of get away with most toys and most crafts and things like that. But with a 1-year-old, you have to be kind of careful with choking hazards and things that they really can't handle yet. So I got really creative and I searched the whole store for maybe 40 minutes from top to bottom. And I went from their Easter section and I went all the way to like the kids section and the craft section and kind of got creative on items that I wanted to get for their Easter baskets. My goal this Easter was not to give them candy only, but more activities, more crafts, more little things that they can enjoy all year long. So I'm going to share with you what each child is going to get this Easter. First, we're going to start with my 1-year-old. Now keep in mind she is, I think, 13 months now. So she is very capable of, walking, playing, eating most foods. So I want to give you that preface before I get into what I got her. So in her basket, I got a lot of books. So let me share with you those books right now. We got 4 different books. She kind of loves to look at the books right now. Sometimes she chews on the books. So these books, I have to be very diligent in watching her, but these are really brightly colored little tiny books and they're perfect for her bookshelf upstairs. There's plenty of room for her bookshelf. And then also I got her this little stuffed animal, stuffed angel bear that talks.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night.
I also got her a glowing ball. This one is blue. My 3-year-old gets a pink one. And I got her some stickers. We haven't tried stickers with her just yet, but this is kind of the age where they explore with, coloring and stickers and things like that. So I'm going to probably use these a little later on in the year, but I didn't want her to be left out. So I got her some stickers. And for bath time, I got her a little bath puppet. And her favorite song, as a lot of 1-year-olds' favorite songs, is Baby Shark. So she's gonna love this during her bath time. And as far as what is edible, what I wanted her to have is I bought 1 package of animal crackers. They come in a pack of 6 and I divided them in half, and so she gets 3 little bags of the animal crackers. I also bought a package of fruit snacks and I divided them in half as well, so she gets 2 of the 4 that comes in the pack. So that's all that she got in her basket. So let me show you what my 3-year-old gets. My 3-year-old got a little bit more than my 1-year-old just because of age. I know that might change the older that my 1-year-old gets because she's not very aware of everything just yet. So she's got a lot more, and a lot of the items that I got were things that she needed or that she has ran out of, or she needed a new pair or something like that. So I'm going to share with you those items. First, she got those animal crackers. There's 3. Dollar Tree now carries a lot of healthy nuts and things like that. And these, she used to eat these a lot. These are peanut butter filled pretzels. So she got these, or they're called pretzel nuggets. I love these too. We needed a glue stick for our crafts. Actually, this week we needed one, so I got that. She's gonna love to do crafts with this. And I got her a few stamps. And I thought that I would split these up for my 1-year-old, but I don't think she knows what that is. So I'm going to just give this to my 3-year-old. She's gonna have wonderful, wonderful fun with this because we've been doing a lot more coloring, a lot more crafting, and she's getting really good at everything. These are gonna be very, very useful. I also got her a ball that is pink so that they kind of have a matching item but different colors. And she had broken her sunglasses, so I bought her a new pair of sunglasses, watermelons on them. And I got her the same stickers that my 1-year-old got. And I know that lots of 3-year-olds love Paw Patrol, so we got her a puzzle for just, you know, some fun. I got a little journal for her that we would do like during our school time. We have a little bit of like time in the morning for school. And so we did, or I bought an All About Me, a little packet that you color and you make a book out of. And so I'm going to do this with her and just kind of get to talk to her about what her favorite things are, her colors, things like that. This was one of my favorite purchases because she had fallen down one day and she hurt her knee, and I ran and I got a jelly cold pack, but it was meant for like your eyes, you know, like a mask. It was the only thing I had that wasn't too cold. So anyway, that really helped. She loved it. But the problem is that she squished it and squished it and squished it and it broke. So I went and I found another one, and these are perfect because these are actually like mint for what I'm talking about. So she is gonna get this. This is really cute. They had different kinds too. I love that. And lastly, she is going to get one thing of nail polish. She's been loving painting her toes and her fingers lately. We've been running out of socks for her, and I thought these are great. So we got a pair of unicorn socks, 2 pair, and then these are like the fuzzy, the soft fuzzy kind. And what I love about these, this is like a little cat face or something like that. What I love is that they have the grippers right here, so that when she has them on, she doesn't fall. And these also have those grippers that I love. We have all hardwood floors, so these socks are gonna come in handy for that. So that's everything that I got for my girls. Again, they're 3 and 1. I actually got my 3-year-old, she was 2 last year. I got her and her cousin Easter baskets. I'll try to find a photo and insert it here, but I got all of that stuff from the Dollar Tree last year as well. And for the most part, everything that I got last year was the stickers, the crafts, those kinds of things. And I definitely suggest doing those kinds of baskets because I think it kind of lasts longer, and I think they might enjoy it or remember it better. And it gives me, you know, a stay-at-home mom, some things to do with them that are fresh and brand new. So I'm gonna love sharing all these things with them during the week after Easter. And so they're just gonna enjoy so much more. They're gonna remember what they got for Easter, those kinds of things. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this gives you some ideas of what to buy your children for Easter. And again, I'm not one to give baskets. I never really grew up with tons of, you know, the holiday baskets and the holiday gifts and the holiday themed things. But now that I'm a mom, I think it's really nice and fun, and just to surprise your kids with something small and inexpensive. So Dollar Tree is the best place to go. They have been so innovative in the last few years with their items. So each basket actually only cost, I think, $10 each. I want to say that my 3-year-old's basket may be like $12 and my baby's basket was like $8 or $9. So we'll meet in the middle and average and say that these baskets cost about $10 each, and that includes the basket itself, which, by the way, I thought ahead and I thought, well, these baskets actually look to be something that I might keep because it's elongated and it has this pretty little ribbon in it, and it looks like a bassinet. And my 3-year-old and my 1-year-old actually too are really loving to play with baby dolls. And so I really think this might actually be a gift all on its own, because this will be a wonderful little pretend bassinet for their babies. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gives you some wonderful ideas on what to get your kids for this Easter. Go over to your local Dollar Tree, try out their items, and see if you can find something creative for your children. Thank you again so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful Easter. Bye.